Georgia from Creative Moments by G. So happy you could stop by today. We are making the cutest little item. It's the mini curvy keepsake box. Look at this. We turn this one into an apple. We turn this one into a little fancier item, maybe for New Year's. We also have a pumpkin. I think you're really going to enjoy making this. So let's head over to the crafting table and let's get started. We are going to work on these cute little keepsake boxes. Isn't that adorable? I have some others to show you at the end, but we're going to do this pumpkin first. You find what you're going to need for this keepsake box on page 48 and 49, at least the way we've stamped it, because we've stamped with the pumpkin and also give thanks. We've used this cute little leaf and also the little stem. Then you'll need to go to page 19 to buy the little mini curvy keepsake box die set. And this has so many things in it. Not only the actual box, but look, it has, you can use this for so many occasions. That's what I like about it. Not only the box, but it has these cute little tags, snowflakes, bows that you can add. Oh, it's just perfect for all seasons. So that is on page 19. Now, to save some time, we've actually cut out some of these in all different colors because I'm going to show you the different ones that we've made. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. What you need to do is use your bone folder. And you need to kind of curve it in. Now be careful, don't curve it too hard. Just curve it in so that it bubbles out just a little bit. And it ends up looking like a flower, really. Now it creases so well, this box, you don't want to sit there and bend this back and forth because you might break it. But the first thing you'll need to do is you will need to stamp on your pumpkin. Now, I want you to pay attention to how this is put together so that you know where to stamp. You can see that you put it together like this and this slides over. Now, what we like to do is we like to use this as the face. That's our face. So, we are going to mask it off so that we don't get anything below it. Right there. We are going to then put our pumpkin there. Okay, perfect. Great definition. And now we are going to color our pumpkin. And what we like to use is the Stampin' Blends. And this is dark pumpkin pie. And I like to go ahead and use the daffodil. And this is the light daffodil. So what we do first is I use the brush side and I just go like this. I'm just going to give it some definition. Just kind of like that. On the lines. That's what's so great about these lines. They already kind of give you where the darker part's supposed to be. Just a little bit there. And then I come in with the daffodil and I just do circles. You just do circles until it's completely covered. Just go over until you can no longer see the lines. And what will happen is that will look like it's highlighted. So nice. You just keep going over. Little circles. And once this dries, those lines will disappear and it'll just look like highlights. And these blends are so juicy. Oh my goodness. Go over with the lighter one. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to just fold that over just a little bit. Those are going to be our handles. Okay. Now, go ahead and take that over the top. See how it's curved? So nice. Now, put the candy in first before you close it because you don't want to have to open it again. You can use these nuggets. They fit perfectly. You could use chocolate kissies. You can do whatever you want. And there, oh, look at that. The definition is really showing through the highlights just perfectly. Now, the next thing you need to do is we need to cut the give thanks. We need to stamp our little leaf and also our stem. So we're going to use our Memento. We're just going to take a scrap piece of paper. And we're going to stamp our little stem. Look at that. Our little leaf. Now what I like to do is I get 2 colors of the blends for the leaf because I like to have a little bit of highlighting. I'm going to use a dark olive and then the light old olive, the dark old olive, and then the light old olive. So once again, just going to go around the edges just a little bit, down the middle, on those sides. Then I'm going to bring in, just in circles, I'm just going to go around. Get this really wet. Okay. Now for my stem, I'm going to use light soft suede. Just barely go over it. Okay, let me cut our little tag right here, stamp it, and fussy cut this, and I'll be right back. Gonna stamp that real quick. What I did on this is I put very lightly pumpkin pie around it just to kind of make it a little older. And look at that. And then I drew little dotted lines to make it look like it was etched around. I think it's a really nice touch. Now when you're working with this, you can put it up on dimensionals, which I think I may put that up on a dimensional. And we're just going to put it right there. Cute. Now I've already fussy cut my leaf, so I'm just going to use the snail, the little runner, tape runner. Just maybe put that right there. I'm going to actually put it on the pumpkin. And the stem, we need some more snail on it. And on the stem, we're just going to set him right there. Look at that. And then to give it one more added little touch, I love my curlies. So I'm just going to use some curling ribbon. And I'm not going to tie it real tight because you want them to be able to get into it. So just one little knot right there. Okay. Remember, you have to cut the edges off. Cut the edges off. And now hold this down right here and we'll just curl. Just curl. It's always best to curl in the direction that the ribbon is already curling. Don't curl against the grain, curl with the grain. Look at that. How cute is that? So cute. Now another one we just did in purple. We're going to be going to a wedding, and so we're going to make some purple ones for the wedding, for the dinner that they have before. We also created an apple one. Now there's not a template for this. You just have to cut your ooey gooey caramel and put it on your apple. Of course, there is an apple in this Harvest Hello. So you can just stamp that, cut it out, and then put your caramel. Isn't that cute? We also did one for New Year's, a New Year's party. I don't know if you can see them, if they'll stand up like that. But, oh, aren't they just so cute? Too cute. Well, I hope you had a great time today making these cute little keepsake boxes. Go out and have a fantastic day, and see you again in our next video.